is Wednesday, so I'm gonna do something a little different today. I am doing an unboxing as part of this vlog. This might turn out really badly, but whatever. I got this huge box from YesStyle. This is just one of the boxes I got from them. Waiting on the second one still. Where do I even... Oh. Pull open. Duh. Oh my gosh, they really pack these boxes. Before I go into this, I've gotten a lot of questions about YesStyle because I've mentioned to my friends a couple times, you know, that I buy a lot of stuff from there. They always ask me, you know, is the quality good? Is the sizing like accurate? Because sometimes you order things from like Asia and it's like a size small and you get it and you're like, okay, this definitely doesn't fit like a human. It like fits like my dog. So I would say like just always read reviews, and the reviews that help me the most are the ones with photos. If you're one of those people who post photos on YesStyle, you are saving lives. I recently ran out of this. This is the W.DRESSROOM New York perfume in 97 April Cotton. I went through this so fast. I currently only have one other one of these and I can't remember which one it is. I'll link it below. But this one is definitely one of my favorites. It's just like a very, how do you describe it? It kind of smells like linen. It's called April Cotton, which I guess makes sense. I also got some Mediheal Tea Tree masks. It's a little, the box is a little bit smushed. Comes in a pack of, how many is this? I don't even know. I don't feel like counting. Tea tree is a really good ingredient for sensitive skin, especially if you have drier skin. Alright, what's next? Okay, so here is the Pure Derm Aloe Collagen Mask. I think this was a freebie. Yes, this was a free gift. I don't remember if you have to hit a certain tier, but after some point, YesStyle will give you like free gifts as part of like your order. So I don't actually know what this is, but I mean, it sounds good. This is the GPS Mask Pack Home Spa Kit 3-Step. I've heard good things about this brand, Triacate. So I have like combination, mostly oily skin. I think it's pretty dry when I wake up in the morning, but throughout the day, I do build up a lot of oil in my skin. It's sometimes hard to find products that work for me because my skin changes all the time, especially with the seasons. We're gonna go into a quick commercial break. A huge thank you to YesStyle for letting me try this GPS mask. The first step of the Triacate GPS mask is step 1, the in and out cleanser. And I think it's just a foaming cleanser, so it will probably be something that I switch out my normal facial cleanser for. Now that that's done, I'm going to be putting on the step 2, which is the biocellulose mask. So it's like a couple different layers. Ooh, it looks huge. Is it going to fit my face? Remove the first layer of the mask. So I think we take this one off. Remove the outer layer of the mask. What's the outer layer? I think this is the one that goes on the skin. My face is really small, so masks don't fit me very often. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm shedding. Okay, just have to redo this whole thing. There's so many creases and wrinkles because I had to fold it so many times. And now I leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, absorbing the leftover essence. And now the final step is the Triacate Energy Cream. This is step 3 and it's just like a moisturizer. There isn't like a strong fragrance to this, but I do like how it smells. So as an instant review, I guess, I did really like the foam cleanser. It lathered up a lot, and so I felt like it was cleaning pretty well. With the mask, I liked it too. I think I was just confused because I didn't know which layer was which, but once like the final layer was on my face, I really liked it, and it was really refreshing.
and it stuck to my face too. This cream is good too. At first, I don't know if you guys could tell, but it wasn't really absorbing, but the more that I am rubbing the product into my face, it's slowly absorbing more and more. So far so good. My face feels very refreshed right now. We'll just have to wait a few days to see what it does to my face, to the redness, to the spots.
And now back to the unboxing. Ooh, these shorts. These are so cute. But it's winter now, and I had these in my cart for a really long time. The other thing with YesStyle is that there's a minimum for shipping. So again, I try to like buy a lot of stuff at once because I want to hit that free shipping, because shipping does cost a lot because it is usually coming from overseas. I saw these shorts in Ashley Choi's vlog and she was like, I love these, and she went ahead, I think, and bought like more colors, and I loved how these looked on her. So I decided to buy them, and I like how they're stretchy in the back too, and they have pretty deep pockets. So I will definitely be wearing these in the summer. We got a bucket hat. This is just like a blue printed bucket hat. I'm trying to figure out if it says words on it, but I can't tell if those are words or just a design. There we go. This is so cute. I like this, and it matches my hoodie because there's like blue in the back. This is sewn by me. It's a pimple patch, clear spot patch. I have been breaking out so much lately, and I don't know why, if it's hormones or something I'm eating or my sleep schedule or stress and anxiety, and I haven't even been wearing makeup, so I don't know why. But hopefully these will help. These are some alloy earrings. So it's an illusion of like 3 different earrings together. I'm not going to put them on right now because I have earrings on already, but I will wear them later and do like a try on here. I like them. They're kind of dimensional. They're very like urban, edgy, geometrical kind of earrings. These will look good with pretty much anything that I wear. More free gifts. This is Snail Repair Advanced Serum. This is sunblock from Village Factory. Here is a new eyelash curler I got, and this is called an S curler. Did I just break it? And then use this to sort of work like the corners and to get like all the different details. You see, it's like pretty much like half the size maybe of like a normal eyelash curler. I don't know why I bought this. It's not like I'm wearing makeup like ever anymore. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this. This is the cutest thing. It's funny, I bought this whole box, and this is like the one thing that I'm like excited about. It's like a headband for to keep your hair out of your face when you're doing your makeup or washing your face or cleansing or anything like that. I have one that's like ram shaped. There's like 2 horns. It's supposed to look like a ram, but one of the horns is falling off, so I was like, okay, I think I need to upgrade and, you know, get something else. And I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It looks like a little turnip or like radish or daikon kind of thing, and it also looks like my Among Us character, which is so cute. And I like how this is like more stretchy at the bottom too. It's so cute, look at it. Oh my gosh. This is a big sweater I got. It says Alaska Cruise, United States in 1959. I guess that's the year that Alaska became a state maybe. It's just like an oversized sweater. It feels pretty soft. And on the back it says Alaska Cruise, something about the last frontier became the 49th state of the United States in 1959. Oh, I was right. So this is just like a comfortable sweater or pullover that I can wear now that it's cold. And I think this is the last one. It's another sweater. And this one is a black Niagara Falls one. It just says Niagara Falls, Canada. I saw Ashley Choi wear this one as well, but she has the beige color, so it's like this color but with this style, and I feel like it was either sold out or I just bought this one in the beige and I wanted something different. Usually with sweaters from YesStyle, I will wash them in the washer, but then I'll air dry them, or I will purposely size up like 3 times so that if it does shrink, it becomes like perfect size for me. So yeah, that was the last item in this shipment. Like I said, I do have another one coming. I don't know when. It should be coming soon because it's already been shipped. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I will link everything that I got in the description below. And if you do end up buying anything on YesStyle, you guys can use my influencer code, which I will also link below. I will end the vlog here. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Make sure that you like and subscribe. See you guys in the next episode. Bye!